with it. Did you see the way she threw it up there? Oh my god. She just loves that thing.
What?
Oh, now she's just gonna ignore it. She's like, hey. She just loves it. She loves it so much, she's grabbing it by the neck. What's wrong with you, Sophie? Oh, there she goes, murphing around. She don't even care, she just wants out. Oh, you. Smack. And now he's gonna shove his butt in her face. Because he loves butt rubs.
Let's go if you rub my butt.
No. She got him hurt. Ouch. Oh, it's terrifying. Oh, it's terrifying. I'm smacking with the camera. Oh, it's terrifying. Come here. Not you. Come here, Oreo. As soon as she sees Oreo, she's like, oh god, no.
Because he's stuck on her.
Where are you going? Nah. She like had the orchid jump. Did you see that? Get out of here, Oreo.